Kedu ihe Ebuka Obi mere unu? Kedu ihe Ebuka Obi mere? Ofu onye sakana m ihe Ebuka Obi mere. Kedu ihe Evangelist Ebuka Obi mere? Gabu every time ndị Igbo kpụ ya n'ọnụ. Ndị Igbo kpụ ya n'ọnụ.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm still being your brother Nwa042. This is a channel where I give you update news. Anything I'm giving you here is real, because the evidence must have to be displayed on this television. So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depends where you're watching me from. You are highly welcome for today's video. Today's video is very, very important. Please watch this video till end, and don't forget to give a thumb up to this video, like this video, share it. Feel free to say anything you want to say in the comment section. You know I will be like there to reply you. And again, I must have to say to all my subscribers, you guys are so amazing. What would I do to you guys? I say may God bless each and every one of you guys, wherever you are watching me from. And if today is the first time you're coming across my channel, you're highly welcome also. And then I must have to say may God bless you as you stand by to watch this video. Please, as we normally do it in this our channel, is if I do what you like, and I know that you like what I'm doing, share this video, like it and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification so you will be notified anytime I post video. Thank you so much. I don't want to talk too much. Let us go to the video. Thank you.
Kedu ihe Ebuka Obi mere unu? Kedu ihe Ebuka Obi mere? Ofu onye sakana m ihe Ebuka Obi mere. Kedu ihe Evangelist Ebuka Obi mere? Gabu every time ndị Igbo kpụ ya n'ọnụ. Ndị Igbo kpụ ya n'ọnụ. Ihe na-ewute m n'ihe a, I am not saying this thing ka ndị mmadụ tobe mmụọ. I don't need it. I want to say the truth. He's our brother. He's our Igbo brother. Everybody we are known. He's now a topic. Everybody written Ebuka Obi. Ibada bụ Ebuka Obi. Ibada bụ Ebuka Obi. Iliana Ebuka Obi. Is he a cause? No onye Igbo welitere isi. Is he si ogodu me ebe ọ bụ arụ na ebe e kwuru n'akwụkwọ na onye Igbo amabunata mmadụ. We know so many people. We know so many people. Oyedikpono, Adebayo no. All these redeemed winners, TV Joshua no. Nobody. I have never seen a Yoruba person totally condemn all these people. I have never seen. I think it's also whatever. I have never seen anyone put out to condemn him. But also, Suleiman Nemen Kie. I have never seen somebody from their city condemn Suleiman. I don't understand our Igbo people. And the same people will condemn you, the same people will still come and eat in your table. With the same faith. With what kind of thing is this? Omerunu Gene. Abromu his followers. Of course, I'm a very busy person on my own. Abromu his member. I don't even need his contact. But he's our brother. He's my own brother from Igbo land. Chineke wee zie ya ono na Yoruba wee na-eme ihe Chukwu siri emebe okobu no bro Chukwu siri emebe ka iwepuke ni Chukwu obu no bro Chukwu siri emebe mana ọ na-eme that thing wee bụrụ our brother wee nwa afa. Is it not a testimony? Ọ bụrụ ihe ịkọ aka ka ọ bụ. Ọ bụrụ ihe anyị ga-eji kelebe Chukwu na our brother is doing well, that our brother is doing well, that our brother is doing well every time. Every day, and I find one fault, and I show one reason, and I show with pure evidence against that young man. When I can't prove again, since when I can't work against since, I was watching you people. See, because someone was strong evidence against him. On a capital on internet, man, man, here Bible says, be your brother's keeper. I could see the neck with you 1-9. I'm going to know the giant with you. See, I just come working on you. Timmy just say, would you go? Timmy just shout, would go. I knew what to do when I jump on a line. I like to nobody have opened their mouth. I didn't make no one condemn boy. Our own Nkebunkai. When people say okay, I went to normal weekend. Mbaka don't get. I saw my weekend. Shame on us. I don't know the problem that we have. Onye kasigi. Iya na akọ onwuru nke dị n'akwụkwọ akọbitofu no onye isi ji wee jebie call miracle no omeye kofuzo misibu ji wee jebie no omeye ko ome nka Ebuka suru nya bụ Jesus osu nya bụ Jesus that he is everybody osu nya in fact let me ask you a question, is he a miracle a true man of God? It's not by miracle, it's not by prophecy. The Bible says by their fruit we shall know them. It's not all about miracle. It's not all about prophecy. Can I be a true servant of God? Oh, here. Omeronka. What is our problem? Come no banya. When you can see mommy, TV show is still. Because you can see the cam. Mama, you can see TV show is still alive. You can see come marry here. This young man, I think I know the problem of Igbo people. The problem that we have, that we know it all. There is a lot of gift in us, and that gift, man, I have where to use it. We start using it against ourselves. Ebuka Obi no God. Igbo mugezoke mano yake na ya na family ben nage. Igbo mugezoke mano yake na ya na bendigi. The same brother, the same father and mother. That wicked uncle was once your brother, your father brother, or your mother brother. Now the same thing. Gina one day get toko gide no fefere. O were kisi pate goru no bia nyibere go. Obia fight rage. Chobi hoge use against you. Umunemo. How long will you continue like this? Is it not better na be the one wo nwanye ezoku? Ina arụ n'office. Kama ige nwekwe promotion. Once onye Igbo bụ head in that office, atụọ ga-atụọ n'ọrụ. Anyị echetaghịzi na anyị bụ nwanne. Anyị were oke ọchịchị wee buru ụzọ. Now check out ihe gbasata this case Ebuka Obi. Gekene ntị. Jekene ka ịma ma nwere onye Yoruba na-ekwu against him. Tomorrow. You are right, his ministry is still alive. Check ikene. Kimar mo nwere onye Hausa na-ekwu against him. Ndị machachacha, ndị fuchachacha, ndị na-ekwu against him ndị Igbo. Atụlite finish onye Igbo na-egburu anaghị anwụ ọsịsọ. Do you people want to kill this young man? Unchoko nwe heart attack nwụọ. Please, we should learn how to mind our business. Why can't you face your business? What does it mean that we don't have job again? If you don't have job, you don't have family this thing to do. Go home and do your family work. Go and settle with your family. What is the problem that we have? Kai. You condemn one. Everybody could see the language. Oh, glory be to God. Glory be to God. Finally, we have a brother. Igila. How many people knows Igila? Brother Igila. Joshua Konaza. Igila. Oh, made a mistake in a marriage. But when the video Yoruba put against him, he continued to go. Continue to grow. Now I just come and boy home na church. No Yoruba have ever used it against him. As if a man of God or a woman of God. Unu echefuo na fresh is fresh na mmadụ bụ mmadụ. Unu chọsiri ka onye agba bebe. Ka ọ bụ man of God and woman of God ọ bụ God n'onwe ya. Igbo priest chegedien. Ebe ọ bụla nwanne gị si enweta 10 kobo ọ dịghị ka ọ ga-achụpụ ya. Amaghị m ihe na problem gị. Ihe na problem na bụ na onye a na-erijuzi afọ nnukwu ka ọ gịnị. Amaghị m ma problem na I don't know the kind of jealousy bagoro anyị arụ that we don't have any other assignment na-abụrụ ikwu maka mmadụ ibe anyị. Na-abụrụ ịtụpụrụ ana ị na-ekwu. Anyway, anybody na-ekwu against you na-ekwu because you're on top. Your level and their level are not the same. Because you're not at the same level, they don't have nothing to say. Once you're a mango tree that bears a good fruit, you must receive stone. But if you don't bear good fruit, for the true stone on you.